wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today. What is Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
But she doesn't belong to you.
I had to do something.
Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
But...
I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But... You're right. Okay, let's... go.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
We were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't say!
It's that dry night air. But it's daytime.
Well, day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye! Phew. What are you doing?
Going to return Philomena, remember?
We can't now!
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well, no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria, or throw you in a dungeon. Or banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
You really think the princess would do that?
Okay, granted that probably won't happen, but do you want to take any chances?
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
Please, Twilight, you just have to help me get Philomena healthy, and then we can return her to the princess. And everything will be fine.
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses. Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
There you go.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
Of course, but...
Next!
Well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
It's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena, but she wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right.